Hey guys, so welcome to the help screen, and this is how to delete Roblox FPS unlocker. So guys, first thing that you will do is when you open the application is you will have this zip file, guys. And after that, when you extract it, you will be extracting this software application. And then from here, guys, first thing that you need to make sure in order for you to uninstall it is make sure you have these two files over here. And then also make sure go over here to the hidden icons, guys, and make sure if the FPS blocker of Roblox is over here, make sure to exit it or remove it from this tray. And after you ensure removing it, guys, next thing that you will do is simply just delete both of these, and it will automatically remove on your PC. And there you go, guys. That's how to delete FPS Roblox blocker. So guys, if the FPS unlocker is still running when you play Roblox, just try uninstalling Roblox and reinstalling it again in order for you to completely remove it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.